Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're going to look up for the export asset in our Adobe Illustrator. So first we need object if we want to export this as an asset. So I'm going to draw this rectangle shape, and also I'm going to make this ellipse shape, and I'm going to change its color, and also we are going to add more this polygon shape as well. Let me change the color for this one. So here I want to export this as an asset. You have to just go to this window. So here we have this asset export. You can click at that. So we have this asset export. So I'm going to select this rectangle shape and I want to export this as an asset. So I need to go to the object. Under object we have this collect for export. I can click as say a single asset, or you can go with as multiple assets. So I'm going to click at that. So now we have this asset export. So this panel is now going to show me. Now I can just click at this add generate a single asset, and you can generate, and if I just click, so it's going to generate multiple assets. I can click to delete. I can select this assets here. I can delete them. And also here we have this save as preset if you want to change save it as a preset, and also I can add a scale for that. And also we have this launch the export for a screen dialog. You can run that. On the top here we have this list. You can go with this format settings. If I just click at that, so format setting is going to show me an PNG. You can change the extension to something like SFG, PDF. You can go with this PNG, and for the PNG you can select this background color transparent, white or black, or you can go with this PNG 8. You can change this type optimize hinted, which is anti-aliasing, and also we have these colors that you can change. You can check this interlens and transparent. You can uncheck that, and here you can select any color. So we're not going to change the extension here. For each extension there is some more option that you can go with that. So I'm going to just select this PNG with PDF. As you can see, I can select different type of PDF preset. I can select something for SFG, like I can go with different font images. So for different extension there is some more extra options available. So we're going to just go with this PNG and click on save settings. So here if I want to just select these two, and if I want to add this, so I can just click at this plus icon. So here these two is now added. And if I want to use this option here, collect for export as multiple assets, as you can see, if you click at this setting without adding this plus icon, so the two different object here is going to add it as a two different asset. So I'm not going to actually add it like this. We're going to just click, so these two objects is under one asset. So now I can add a scale to that. I can add this different 4x 2x. We're going to select this 2x here, and I'm going to click on export. So here we have this new folder, which I'm going to select this and delete it, all the other assets that we used to export that. So we are going to just select and click on export. Here I'm going to just go to my desktop, select this folder, select and export this, completed successfully. So we're going to open the folder. So here let me show you the first one. We have the two different objects in one asset, and the second one here we have this, and here it didn't actually export this one as an asset. Why is that? Because you have to just delete that, and I'm going to just select this go to the object, collect for export as a single asset. So now I'm going to just click on export, select folder, export successfully. Let me just open. So here we have this asset as well, so I can see the other copies here. So we have two different copies that we use to export this. So this is how you can add this preset here. So now I can just click over here and save this as a preset. So whenever I need that, so it's going to be on the preset. I can import a preset, and also there is iOS, and I can add the iOS, and also I can add this Android here as well, the asset for that. I can select this Android or iOS, and also I can just save it as a preset, which is going to be my shapes, and click OK. So this is how you're going to use this collect for export if you want to just move it as a single asset, or if you want to just move it as a multiple asset. So if I'm going to select everything, just go to this collect and as a single asset. So these 3s which is selected in one bonding box, as you can see, these 3 is selected. As we export that into this as a single asset, so this is going to be inside one asset, 3 different shape. I can just click at that and rename it. So this is how you're going to use this option if you want to collect and export your object as an asset with your Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to use collect for export with object menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.